It's me, Sakina, and Wynand van Vuuren, the client experience partner at King Price Insurance. And today, we'll be switching things around a little bit. Wynnie, let's jump right into it and talk all things car insurance cover.
I want to ask you a few questions, Sakina. Thanks for talking to us. So, comprehensive car insurance. There are different ways in which you can insure your car. Let's talk about comprehensive car insurance. What does that entail?
So comprehensive insurance, I'm sure a lot of us have heard the loose term, the full package. You know, it covers everything. So that's particularly what it means. So you're covered for the most part of the risks that your insurance cover will cover you for.
So that is the best insurance I can get on my car.
Best, quote unquote, but there are other options that are suitable for, depending on what your needs are and your budget. But comprehensive insurance covers accident damage, third-party liability, and acts of nature.
That's interesting. So say that the value of my car, so I know that you can have your car insured for the market value or the retail value. That value will be covered under comprehensive insurance. If I have any extras on my vehicle, like a towbar, a bullbar, or anything else, what's going to happen with that extras?
So a lot of people don't know that, and that's a good question you're asking, Wayne. So your comprehensive insurance will cover you for the retail value or other values depending on what you choose with your insurance. But if you don't specify those extras, like your bullbar, your smash and grab, your sound, you won't be covered for those in the event that your vehicle is a total loss. So it's really important that you make sure that you can evaluate those extras and specify them on your policy and pay a separate premium in order for you to enjoy cover should something happen.
Interesting. Then if my vehicle is financed, do I still have different options through which I can insure my car, or must it be comprehensive car insurance?
So when your vehicle is financed, you don't necessarily have a choice. Your finance house will insist that you have comprehensive insurance because they still have financial interest in that risk. But depending on the kind of alternative cover options that your insurer has, the finance house might accept those when your vehicle is still financed. But it's preferable that you have comprehensive insurance for a financed vehicle.
So we know that we still have third-party cover. That's included on the comprehensive insurance, fire, theft, all of that is included. It's just, so what is excluded if one don't have comprehensive car insurance mostly?
So if you don't have comprehensive insurance, there's a lot that's not covered. So if you have limited cover options, maybe theft is excluded. Or if you have, specifically third-party liability cover only, then that's all you're covered for. So your own vehicle is not covered, which is not ideal. So it's preferable that you always opt for comprehensive insurance while there are other options available.
Thank you very much for the advice, Sakina. Comprehensive insurance really sounds like the best option for me.
It does. Hopefully it's also fit for your budget.